Welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen, and I'm ready to try some recipes in a cookbook from 1986. It's called Make a Meal Salads from Better Homes and Gardens. What makes this a special cookbook is that salads are not a side dish. These are all meal salads, and we're gonna try two of them. The first one's called Gourmet's Delight. Grab a bowl. This salad contains some very gourmet items, like a cup of peach yogurt and 3 ounces of cream cheese. Because I have the whipped cream cheese, I'm just gonna stir those 3 ounces in. If you're using the brick, you're gonna be whipping it up with a hand mixer. Line a plate with some butter, lettuce. Next, we're gonna overlap some lunch meat. It's supposed to be some sliced, smoked turkey. Can you believe this? This is so gourmet. And then you're gonna lay some canned peach slices on top of that meat. And then we're gonna add that dressing on the top. Gourmet's Delight Salad. Well, would you look at that? It is kind of pretty, but gourmet? Here we go. It's a good salad. It's a nice sweet dressing on top. It definitely has that vintage feeling to it, I'll say. It's not something I'll have every day, but I'm gonna give it a 5.2 out of 10. It is kind of tasty. And now the salad party is gonna continue. I'm gonna be making a very fun sounding salad. I'm making a deep dish salad pizza. This sounds fun. I need to prepare a glass baking dish. I have a refrigerator pizza crust that I'll be putting into that baking dish. I'm gonna bake this at 375 for about 15 minutes. In a bowl, I need 8 ounces of cream cheese. I'm using the whipped. And a 1/3 cup of Italian dressing. And I'm gonna mix it until smooth. Grab another bowl. I need 4 cups of torn up spinach leaves, 3 cups of sliced mushrooms, 2 cups of chopped cooked chicken, a can of drained olives, some crumbled bacon pieces, some pickled red onions. Give it a good toss. To that crust, I'm going to be adding 2 cups of Italian style cheese. This will go back in the oven and cook for another 5 minutes. While that's baking again, let's add this dressing and toss it all together. Time to add that salad mixture. Wow, this is fun. It's time to add another cup of cheese. And then we're gonna bake it yet again for an additional 5 minutes. This has got to be the nicest looking salad I've ever seen. Deep dish salad pizza. Oh, yes. Whoa. This is a heavenly salad, and the flavors are amazing. You're not gonna believe it. It's gonna get a high score. I'm gonna give this salad a 9.2 out of 10. It's a winner. I am very happy to have found this Better Homes and Gardens cookbook. That was so much fun. I hope I'll see you next time. I'll have more exciting things to make. I saw 2 worms that were very much in love. They were soil mates.